Hi, my name is Emily. I am 14 years old. I was afraid to fly. Watch my story in the sky. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. My biggest dream. My name is Emily, and I am 14 years old. I live in a small town in the United States with my family. My life is simple, but I have a very big dream. Today, I want to be a pilot. When I think about the sky, I feel happy and excited. But my dream did not start in a simple or easy way. Before, I was very afraid of flying. When I was younger, I did not like airplanes. I thought they were too big and too loud. When I saw planes in the sky, I felt a little scared. I did not understand how something so big could fly. My friends sometimes talked about their trips, but I did not feel excited. I felt nervous. I always thought, I don't want to fly. One day, when I was 10 years old, my parents told me we would go on a trip. We would travel to another city, and we would go by airplane. When I heard this, I felt very scared. I did not smile. I did not feel happy. I said, I don't want to go. I am afraid. But my parents were calm. They said, it will be okay. We will be with you all the time. The day of the trip came very fast. We went to the airport early in the morning. The airport was very big. There were many people, many lights, and many sounds. I heard announcements, people talking, and the loud noise of airplanes outside. My heart started to beat very fast. I felt small in that big place. I stayed very close to my mother. I held her hand all the time. I did not want to lose her. My father carried our bags and smiled, but I could not smile. I felt very nervous. Every time I saw an airplane through the window, I felt my body shake a little. We waited at the gate for our flight. People were sitting, talking, and using their phones. Some children were laughing and playing. They looked happy, but I was not like them. I was quiet. I was thinking about the flight again and again. I asked my mother many questions. Is it safe? Is it scary? What if something goes wrong? My mother answered in a soft voice. She said, it is safe. You are not alone. We are here with you. After some time, we heard an announcement. It was time to get on the airplane. My heart started to beat even faster. I did not want to stand up. I wanted to stay in my seat and not move. But my parents stood up and looked at me. My father said, come on, Emily. We can do this together. I stood up very slowly. My legs felt weak. I held my mother's hand very tight. We walked in a line with other people. Everyone looked normal and calm, but I felt very different. I felt scared inside. When we got closer to the airplane, I saw it very clearly. It was so big. It looked strong, but also a little scary to me. The engine was loud, and I could hear the wind outside. I stopped for a moment and said, I can't do this. My eyes felt full of tears. My mother looked at me and smiled. She said, you are stronger than you think. My father nodded and said, we are right here. You are safe. I took a deep breath. I did not feel ready, but I did not want to stay behind. I wanted to try, so I took a small step forward. Then another step. Slowly, I walked into the airplane. My hands were still shaking, but I was inside now. I felt afraid, but also a little proud. We found our seats and sat down. I sat next to the window, but I did not look outside. I just sat very still and held my seat. I could hear the sounds of people talking and putting their bags away. The airplane felt small inside, but also full of energy. At that moment, I did not know that this experience would change my life. I was just a scared girl on her first flight. But deep inside, something was starting to change. I was about to learn something important about fear, courage, and my future. I was sitting in my seat, and my hands were still shaking. I felt very nervous. I looked at my parents, and they tried to smile at me. I wanted to feel calm like them, but it was not easy. The airplane door closed, and I felt my heart beat faster. I thought, now I cannot leave. The airplane started to move slowly. I could hear the sound of the engine. It was loud and strong. I closed my eyes because I was afraid. I held the armrest very tight. My mother touched my hand and said, it's okay, Emily. Just breathe slowly. I tried to listen to her. I took a deep breath, then another one. After some minutes, the airplane moved faster. I felt it. It was a strange feeling. Then suddenly, the airplane went up into the sky. My body felt different, like I was lighter. I was very scared at that moment. I wanted to open my eyes, but I was also afraid to see. Finally, I opened my eyes slowly. At first, I looked at my seat, then at my parents. They looked calm. Then I turned my head and looked at the window. I was not ready, but I wanted to try. When I looked outside, I saw something amazing. The ground was far away. The houses looked very small, like toys. The roads looked like lines. Then I saw the clouds. They were white and soft. They looked like big pillows in the sky. I forgot my fear for a moment. I looked and looked. The sky was so big and so blue. I felt quiet inside. My heart was still beating fast, but I was not as scared as before. I felt something new. I felt wonder. I said softly, "Wow, this is beautiful." My mother smiled and said, "Yes, it is." My father looked at me and said, "You are doing great." I felt a little proud of myself. I was still on the airplane, and I was okay. During the flight, I started to feel more comfortable. I did not close my eyes anymore. I looked outside again and again. I watched the clouds move. I saw the sun shining above them. It was different from the ground. It was calm and peaceful. I started to think in a new way. Before, I only saw airplanes as something scary. But now, I saw something else. I saw beauty. I saw freedom. I thought, people can fly in the sky. This is amazing. I asked my father, "How does the airplane fly?" He smiled and explained in simple words. He talked about wings and engines. I did not understand everything, but I listened carefully. I wanted to learn more. As time passed, I felt stronger. My fear was still there, but it was smaller now. I said to myself, I was very scared, but I am still here. I can be brave. This thought made me feel happy. When the airplane started to go down, I felt a little nervous again. But this time, I was ready. I kept my eyes open. I watched the ground get closer. I felt the airplane move, but I stayed calm. When we landed, I felt a small shake. Then the airplane stopped. People started to stand up and take their bags. I looked at my parents and smiled. I said, "I did it." My mother hugged me and said, "Yes, you did." My father said, "We are very proud of you." At that moment, I felt something change inside me. I was not the same girl anymore. I was still afraid, but I was also curious. I wanted to understand flying. I wanted to learn more about airplanes in the sky. As we left the airplane, I looked back one more time. This time, I did not feel only fear. I felt respect and interest. I thought, maybe one day, I can fly too. That idea stayed in my mind. It was small, but it was strong. I did not know it yet, but this was the beginning of my biggest dream. After that trip, I was not the same person anymore. Before, I was only afraid of airplanes. Now, I was still a little afraid, but I also felt something new inside me. I felt curious. I wanted to learn more about flying. When we came back home, I started to think about the airplane every day. I remembered the sky, the clouds, and the feeling of being above everything. I was still surprised. I asked myself, how can something so big fly in the sky? I wanted to know the answer. One day, I went to the library near my house. I looked for books about airplanes. At first, I found simple books for children. They had pictures and easy words. I learned new words like wing, engine, and pilot. I read slowly, but I understood more each day. At school, I started to like science more. When my teacher talked about air and movement, I listened very carefully. I asked questions, and sometimes my classmates looked at me and smiled. Before, I was quiet in class. Now, I wanted to speak and learn. At home, I watched videos about airplanes. I saw how pilots work in the cockpit. I saw how airplanes take off and land. I watched the same videos many times because I liked them so much. Every time, I learned something new. I also started to draw airplanes. In my notebook, I drew wings, windows, and engines. Some drawings were not very good, but I did not stop. I enjoyed it. My room slowly changed. I put pictures of airplanes on my wall. I even had a small toy airplane on my desk. One evening, I sat with my parents and said, "I think I want to be a pilot." They looked at me with surprise, then they smiled. My mother said, "Really?" I nodded and said, "Yes. I know it is not easy, but I want to try." My father said, "It is a big dream, Emily. You need to study and work hard." I said, "I know. I am ready." My parents looked proud and happy. They said, "We will support you." After that day, my dream became clear. I was not just interested in airplanes. I had a goal. I wanted to fly them. I wanted to sit in the cockpit and look at the sky, not as a passenger but as a pilot. Sometimes, I still felt afraid. When I heard a loud airplane, I remembered my first fear. But now, I did not run away from that feeling. I faced it. I said to myself, it is okay to feel afraid. I can be brave. At school, I worked harder than before. I did my homework every day. I listened to my teachers. I wanted to understand math and science because I knew they were important for my dream. It was not always easy, but I did not give up. My friends sometimes asked me, "Why do you want to be a pilot?" I answered, "Because I love the sky. I want to fly." Some of them said, "It sounds difficult." I smiled and said, "Yes, but I will try." One day, my father took me to a small airport near our town. It was not big like the first airport, but it was very special to me. I saw small airplanes on the ground. I saw pilots walking and talking. I felt very excited. We stood near the fence and watched an airplane take off. I followed it with my eyes until it was very small in the sky. I felt the same feeling again, wonder, excitement, and a little bit of fear. But this time, the fear was not strong. My dream was stronger. I said to my father, "One day, I want to be up there." He looked at me and smiled. He said, "I believe you can do it." That day, I felt very sure. My dream was real. It was not just a small idea anymore. It was a big part of my life. I knew the road would be long, but I was ready to walk it. Every night, before I slept, I looked at the sky from my window. I saw the stars and sometimes an airplane with small lights. I smiled and thought, one day, that will be me. And each day, I moved one step closer to my biggest dream. Years passed, and I grew older. I was not a little girl anymore. I was stronger, more confident, and more focused on my dream. I still remembered my first flight and how afraid I was. But now, that fear was very small. My dream was much bigger. I continued to study hard in school. Math and science were not always easy, but I did not stop. I asked questions, I practiced, and I learned step by step. Sometimes I felt tired, but then I remembered the sky and the clouds. That gave me energy again. When I was old enough, I started taking small lessons about flying. The first time I went to a real cockpit, I felt very excited. My heart was beating fast, just like my first flight many years ago. But this time, I was not afraid. I was ready. I sat in the pilot's seat and looked at all the buttons and controls. There were so many. At first, it looked difficult, but I listened carefully to my instructor. He spoke in a calm voice and showed me what to do. I followed his instructions step by step. Then came a very special moment. I had my first real flying experience as a student pilot. The airplane started to move, and I felt the same strong sound of the engine. But this time, I did not close my eyes. I looked forward with focus. When the airplane went up into the sky, I felt something amazing. I was not just sitting. I was helping to fly. My hands were a little nervous, but I felt strong. I looked outside and saw the sky again. It was just as beautiful as I remembered. I smiled and thought, I am really doing this. During the flight, I followed my instructor's words. I moved the controls slowly and carefully. I learned how to keep the airplane steady. It was not perfect, but it was real. I was learning, and that made me very happy. After we landed, I felt so proud. I stepped out of the airplane and took a deep breath. I looked at the sky and smiled. I remembered the scared girl from years ago. That girl was me, but now I was different. My family came to see me that day. My mother looked at me with happy eyes. She hugged me and said, "I am so proud of you." My father smiled and said, "You were amazing." Hearing these words made me very emotional. I felt warm inside. We stood together and watched the airplanes. This time, I was not looking with fear. I was looking with hope and confidence. I knew I still had more to learn, but I was on the right path. That night, I thought about my journey. I started as a girl who was afraid to get on an airplane. I was nervous, and I wanted to run away. But I did not give up. I faced my fear, step by step. Now, I am closer to my dream. I am learning, growing, and moving forward. I know one day I will become a pilot. I will fly high in the sky and see the world from above. My biggest dream is not just a dream anymore. It is my future. And every time I look at the sky, I smile and say, I am ready.